Hello, my dear Dinka learners. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn 28 Dinka words. Please watch the video to the end so that you can learn this word in Dinka language. Let us begin. 1. Morning star in Dinka is called chair or chair bakpin. Sun, a call, a call, a call. Mountain, kur, kur. Hill, rail, rail. Porous, ong or roar. Sand soil, liet chow, liet chow. Clay soil, liet dok, liet dok. Soil, liet, liet. Mud, mud, tiok, tiok. Wind, yom, yom. Water, pew, pew. Rain, ding, ding. Rainwater, pew ideng, pew ideng. Rainwater is called pew deng. Crocodile, nyang, nyang, nyang. Eagle, quay, quay. Bird, dit, dit, dit. River, war, war. Fire, match, match, match. Lion, cor, cor, cor. Vulture, gun, gun, gun. You can call it chor. Rope, yuen, yuen, yuen. Spear, tongue, tongue. Or beep, beep. Gossiper, loom, loom, loom. Liar, alweth, alweth, alweth. Oil, milk, milk, milk. Oil. Milk, cha, cha, cha. Bean, aquem, aquem, aquem. A, ka, u, e, ma. Aquem. Meat. Meat is called what in Dinka language? Please write it for me. This is your work. Government is called what in Dinka language? Write it for me. This is your work. So I want to know whether you guys are learning. Yenakan by William Majak Malekding. Dornyalik Kawek Kuyanea. Please follow for more Dinka videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know the name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV Pie. Please go there, subscribe, share our video, like our video. Also comment. If you know other words in Dinka, write them in the comment section. I will correct them. And that is it. So we are learning together here. Thank you. Dornyali Kawek. Bye bye. William Majak Malekding.